crystal clear, heartbeat moving with the sound. Feet don't even touch the ground. If we fall, we fall slow, like the smoke. Let it flow, nowhere to go. Drift with me into the night. Stay with me, don't think twice. Velvet silence, skin on skin. We don't care where we've been. Every second slipping through, but I'm still holding you. If this love is just a phase, let it drift inside the haze. I'd rather lose you this way than watch you walk away. Stay in the smoke with me tonight. Don't wake me up, don't break the vibe. shadows on your face. We don't need no words to say. Your eyes lost in mine again, like a loop we can't escape. I feel your heart beat slow in the silence, letting go. But something in me knows we're closer to the end. We're fading after midnight, holding on to broken light. Don't let go just yet tonight. Stay with me till morning light. We're fading after midnight, dancing on the edge of time. Even if it's our last ride, stay with me just one more time. Hands collide then drift apart, like we're scared of who we are. Every move a soft goodbye, hidden in the rhythm line. Let the music take control, while we're losing what we hold. If this love is turning cold, let it burn. We're fading after midnight. Stay with me. Don't say goodbye. Let it break. If it bends, let it sway. We don't have to stay. Let it breathe. If don't wake up, stay with me in this sound. Let it breathe. Don't wake up. Stay with me in this sound. Empty streets, quiet night. Your voice playing on rewind. Every step, every sound feels like you're still around. I don't fight it anymore. Let it wash onto the shore. What we had before echoes in the dark. Call my name. Echoes in the dark. Feel the same, even when you're gone. You remain in the silence, in the rain. Echoes in the dark, pulling me to a place I can't leave. Floating in your memory, you're still here with me. Faded lights, broken glow, but I never let you go. In between every beat, you're the rhythm under me. If it's only in my mind, I don't care, I don't mind. Let me stay here tonight. Echoes in the dark. Call my name. Don't wake me. Don't fade away. Echoes in the dark. Call my name. Don't wake me. Don't fade away. falling on the road, like it knows the truth. We were never meant to last. Still I'm holding on too fast. You don't have to speak, I can feel you leaving in the way you breathe. Stay till the rain stops falling down. Stay till there's no more sound. We don't have to make it right. Just don't leave me here tonight. Stay like you used to do, like it's only me and you. Even if it's all pretend, let it last until the end. Fingers tracing fading lines, like we're out of time. Every second slipping through, but I'm still holding you. If this is where it breaks, let it break real slow. I just need one moment more. Stay till the rain stops falling down. Stay, don't turn around. Even if the morning comes, we can be undone. Stay, just stay till the Your voice is fading in my head, like something I already said. A broken line I can't erase. Still drifting in this empty space. I try to let it go, but every road I know leads me back to you. I'm lost in your echo tonight, calling out into the quiet. Every sound just pulls me closer to a love I can't get over. I'm lost this feeling in. I've been drifting through the silence, trying not to feel you gone. Every second feels like hours, every night is way too long. The clock don't sound the same, it keeps calling out your name, and I'm stuck inside the pain. Stay just a little longer, don't let the morning pull you away. Stay, even if it's over, and me lost in time. Still